So today I'm going to show you how to play imported and backup PlayStation games on your PlayStation 2 Slim. I have a flip top on my console. It cost me £20 and it looks cooler, and I think it's actually easier for me to change the disc as well. But the main thing is it covers the sensors in the top left corner, the top right corner and the bottom right corner. A lot of people employ the tissue, straw and tape mod for this, but personally I prefer the flip top. You also need an official PlayStation disc, and it has to be of the same region of the console. So if you've got a PAL PS2 like mine, it has to be a PAL disc. Don't bother putting in an NTSC-J to begin with, because it won't work and you'll get the red screen of death, and that'll be pointless. You also need your backup or imported copy as well. The region doesn't matter, and as long as there's a PlayStation ISO on the disc, it will work. So start up the console, and bear in mind you can do this on the browser menu as well. So you've got to wait for the console to load at speed. And as soon as the PlayStation logo appears on screen, swap the disc immediately. So the PlayStation logo has appeared on screen. What that means is the console's happy that there's a genuine disc from the same region, and it should boot up correctly. Be careful not to damage the disc or the spindle while you're doing this.